Hey you guys, this is the Curse of Lilith Ratchet makeup review. I've never seen it before done on YouTube. It's actually a movie, and there's a little chant with it. Lilith Ratchet took a hatchet and gifted her husband a head in a basket. Play the game and say her name, and soon your fate will be the same. If you like to see me do this atrocious look, keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with white face paint. I bought this at Walmart. You can actually mix this with your foundation. This outfit is, yes, it's a nightgown, but I didn't have like a Victorian-esque type outfit. So, you work what you got. So you gotta buy a whole costume or whatever. Just work with what you got. I ain't got a mirror. This one I ain't got. So, I'm just gonna go in and I kind of want it opaque where you can still see some of my skin, but not every little bit. I don't have a beauty blender right now. I wish I did. Maybe I can find a different brush to use. This one might work. It just went like totally okay. This thing works. Time to use your phalanges. We're trying to get it as pale as humanly possible. And Lilith Ratchet is actually a movie. And she lost her child, her son, in a accident. I think she was a pioneer, like in the pioneer days, like, let's see, Little House on the Prairie maybe would be a good one. I mean, if the camera went so far away, I'm just gonna keep building this up. Make me as ghostly white as possible. Which ain't gonna be hard because I'm already ghostly white. Well, I'll get a little tan, but this is like absorbing into my skin, y'all. When your makeup's so cheap, it just absorbs. It's kind of like trying to look like a ghost. Make sure to get that neck real good. And the top of your forehead, and your eye, everything. There we go, we got some. Now you can go out and get a Victorian wig, but I just preferred to do it like this. Okay, it's starting to build up. What am I doing with my life? Yeah. After I've seen this movie, I thought about this because I have never seen anybody on YouTube do a makeup transformation of her. So I was like, okay, I see you. And it's actually a game. Like, you get her head and you play this game. Okay. And in the game, you say, Lilith Ratchet took a hatchet and gifted her husband a head in a basket. Okay, so the story is Lilith Ratchet. Her son just died, so she was, out of sorts. And her husband was cheating on her with another woman. So, to get back at him, she killed the lover, cut her head off, and gave it to her husband. And the townspeople found out about it and killed her the same way. They cut off her head. Yeah. So I'm going to powder this down. This is elf powder. I didn't want an expensive powder. But I wanted to get in there. Kind of. It ain't gotta be perfect, but because it is a Halloween makeup look. I mean, I love doing makeup looks. I just wipe my makeup off. Really. I don't even know where I got this powder at. It might be Boo's powder. Okay, now I'm going to try to clean up my makeup area because I just freaked it up. I'm going to try to add some more now. Oh, that's much better. Takes a lot of grease paint when you're, or not cream paint, not grease paint, when you're fat like this. And don't worry about too much about your eyes because we are going to put black eyeshadow on there anyway. So yeah. So more powder. I'm trying to get it as white as possible. Why did I do that? I'm gonna have to clean up and come back. I should have brought up makeup wipe in here. I think that is good for right now. I'm kind of going for like the Long Ranger. I just gotta look at myself. Oh my god. What am I getting myself into? Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick and clean up a little bit because I made a mess on the table. So, and on my shirt. Perfect. And I will be right back. Do I have a clean finger? No. Oh well. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. My little area is clean. By the way, I'm not wearing my ring because of the whole outfit or whatever. But I am going to be using the Jeffree Star palette. Get the black shade in the palette called Fast Lane. On a flat brush, and I'm just going to take it around my eyes like so. These are highly pigmented. I just gotta look at myself in the mirror, y'all. Whoa. Kind of look like Mr. Dilfire. Now I'm gonna get another blendy brush and get the Vroom color and keep like blending it out. Vroom. Sorry, I'm using the palette to. And I am gonna add a little of the Calabasas. So I've got my picture, and she has like tears kind of going down her cheek. Okay. And I need an angled brush for this part. Okay, around her nasal labia folds. And just blend that upward. But I have a centimeter. Oh. No, I wasn't picking my nose. I was taking out my piercing. Because Lilith don't have a piercing. And come on. Furrow your brow. Come on. I'm gonna clean off my brush a little. This is a good brush. If I'm looking down, I'm looking at a mirror. And just keep blending that in. Okay. Oh. And she has like a line right here, a line right here. And then her eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyes and brows in black. She has them shaped different, but I forgot I needed to Jeffrey, if you're watching this, you made a bomb ass black. This black is harsh. Sitting here looking at myself in the mirror, laughing on the inside. So if y'all laugh at me about this, y'all ain't the only ones. gonna go in and like contour a little bit using Hey Dude. Whoa. Jeffrey. That pigment though. Killing it. Cause she is a lot skinnier than I am. And I know I've lost weight, but heavens to Betsy, I'm not that skinny. Gibble, gibble, gibble. Okay, I think I'm going to go finish my look and I'll be right back. Lilith Ratchet took a hatchet and gifted her husband a head in a basket. Play the game and say her name, and soon your fate will be the same. Happy Halloween, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I finished off the look with these nails, and of course my head, and of course my stitches. They fucked up. They missed my neck. But they got it over here. These nails are about to pop off. Lilith Ratchet took a hatchet. She's like always doing this. Like, her nails are not like this because these are like stiletto. Hers is like squared. But Lilith Ratchet took a hatchet and gifted her husband a head in a basket. Say her name. No, it's play the game and say her name, and soon your fate will be the same. And it's kind of like hot potato, where you like throw her head around and catch it or whatever, and the last one that catches it dies first. Or dies last. Wait. If you catch it first, at the end of the little hot potato thing, you die first. Whoever catches it last, dies last. But go ahead and check out that video, Curse of Lilith Ratchet. And I hope you enjoyed this little makeup look. And yeah, what should we call our little friend? I think he's handsome. Oh, I'm a married woman. Anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a nice day. Bye, YouTube. Happy Halloween.